Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change author or owner name from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Select file option and select here open and open your PDF file from your folder. Now select open and this is my PDF file I have already opened. Now select file option this menu bar and here you will find this properties option. Also you can press Ctrl D and open properties dialog box and here you will find this description option and this author name. Click this box and you can say this author name and select back special view and rename it. Okay, save. Also here you will find this additional metadata. Click here and as administrator. Also you can see author title. I'll remove it and select OK. File select OK and again click this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.